Okay, video number 2. I'm expanding on a previous video I made about how to make money online, or the question I've been seeing by a lot of beginners are searching for online, and they have the question, how do you make money online? And depending on who you ask, you're going to get a lot of different answers. And in my previous uh, video, I touched just briefly on when someone's asking, well, how do you make money online? That's kind of like asking, how do you cook food? It's a million different answers, and there's all kinds of food, right? So it's a very difficult thing to answer, and that's actually a big problem for a lot of beginners. How do you make money? And as I mentioned, depending on who you ask, you may get a lot of different answers. So I'm going to elaborate a little bit more, some what would be maybe the best avenue to choose if you're a beginner. But let me back up a little bit. So I want to ask you a question first. Uh, are you, let's say, a beginner? You're trying to create something online, and maybe it's not working out for you. Maybe you're getting frustrated. Maybe you just keep running to a brick wall and you're just not breaking through. Or you're thinking about starting something online and you haven't even really started. Maybe you're just looking around on the internet and you're just perhaps getting a little bit overwhelmed with all the stuff out there. You really just don't know where to start. If any of this stuff kind of resonates with you, this video is for you, and will give you a little bit of an insight of, based on my personal opinion and my experience, what might be the best avenue to choose if you're a beginner. But first of all, myself, I've been creating online businesses for almost 20 years. When I started out, there was no Google, there was no eBay, there was no Amazon, there was no affiliate marketing, there was like nothing. It was like the Wild West online when I started. And I've bought a lot of these courses out there, and I've built all kinds of different businesses online, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce to all kinds of online businesses I've created online. So I've seen a lot of things come and go, and I've seen some things that are easier and some things that are more difficult to get into, especially if you're a beginner. And if you're a beginner, the odds are you don't have a lot of time to waste on your online business, probably because you're still working full time, or you're maybe looking for work, or you're working full time, so you don't have a lot of time to invest, right? So also, if you're a beginner, you may not have a lot of money to risk, right? You may only have just a little bit of money, and it has to work for you. And if it doesn't work, that hurts. If you try something online and you buy some kind of course, or you do this or do that, and it doesn't work out, and you lose that money, that hurts, especially when you don't have a lot of money to start. So if you're just starting out, a lot of people don't have much experience, so they're kind of like going blind a little bit. They don't have a lot of time, and they don't have a lot of money. Now, let's say if you had a couple, 2 or 3 online businesses going already, and you're thinking, well, how do I make money online? That's an easier question for you, right? So you have more time, or maybe more money to invest, and if something works out, it works out. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh well, you just try something else. But for the majority of people who are just starting out, who don't have much time and much money, it's very vital whatever they choose in the beginning works out for them and starts generating some cash flow for you. So let me describe a few things that may not be a good choice for you if you were a beginner, but these things that I'm saying that are not a good choice, they are legitimate businesses. There's a lot of good things out there online, a lot of different courses, because let's say if you go on YouTube, you're going to see a lot of people advertising to you, try this course or that course or this course. You may hear some people saying, oh, you should start up a Shopify store, set up an email, say an Amazon store, or maybe you should do something called digital real estate, which is nothing more than setting up an ad agency, or all the different kinds of things you can get online. Even some real estate stuff I saw people saying try to get in the business of real estate, which is difficult for a beginner. So let me explain make some points about some of things of legitimate businesses, but may not be a good thing for you to choose if you're a beginner. E-commerce, you see that a lot out there online. If you're on YouTube or something, you're going to be seeing videos of people saying, oh, get into e-commerce, maybe set up yourself a Shopify store, or maybe set up yourself an Amazon store, or maybe start selling stuff on Facebook. And there's a lot of issues with that. You can make a lot of money. Some people are making multi-millions of dollars on Facebook and Shopify and Amazon. But let me explain something to you about that e-commerce side that you may not know if you're just a beginner, and it's very risky for you. For one, these people who say they're making a lot of money on Amazon, They're not just getting some cheap products from China and drop shipping them and making all kinds of money, because there's a lot of people. If you pick something, go to some website, wholesale website, that has products from China, the odds are there are probably like a lot of people already selling that very same product on Amazon. So you're just going to be in a sea of everybody selling the same product. What these people are really doing on Amazon that are making a lot of money, what they're not really going to tell you before you buy their system, is what these people are doing are looking for similar products on Amazon, or developing their whole new product on Amazon, and they're labeling it or they're branding it. Maybe they'll find an existing product that's selling hot on Amazon, and they'll go to maybe the Chinese manufacturer and they'll say, well, let's change the color, or let's put my label on it, or let's put our custom box on it. So you're going to kind of brand it yourself, and that could take thousands and thousands of dollars of stocking products. You're not going to be able to brand a product and drop ship it. Usually it takes thousands and thousands of dollars and months and months and months, even sometimes years, to develop the product, get it branded, and get it shipped to Amazon to where you can set up your Amazon store. So if you're just a beginner, doing that is not necessarily the best avenue if you have limited money and limited funds. It's a real business. You can make a lot of money with Amazon, but there's things with it. Same thing with Shopify. A lot of times people will say, well, set the Shopify store and just do drop shipping. Well, one thing about doing drop shipping from, let's say, a lot of these Chinese suppliers, it takes weeks and weeks for your customer to get their product. Let's say you're selling something on your Shopify store. It could take multiple weeks for that to get delivered. You're not going to be in business very long when people can look on Amazon and find the very same product and have it shipped like almost overnight for free. And then if you're selling the same product on your Shopify store, and it's going to take 3 to 6 weeks or whatever to get the same product, it's not going to work. Maybe at one time these Shopify stores were a hot thing. It doesn't work as it used to anymore. I saw another course out there for selling products, drop shipping cheap Chinese products on Facebook, and I actually bought that program just to check it out. I actually paid $1,000 for that course, and I checked it out. And that course was even upfront and said, you're probably going to get your ad account shut down on Facebook. Facebook doesn't just like that kind of scenario of drop shipping these cheap products on Facebook, because you have to really hammer the your ad account a lot, and Facebook doesn't like that, and they tend to shut you down. And even in this training, they even talked about how Facebook will probably shut you down, and they even told you how to get around and set up fake IDs and fake profiles and come up with a fake phone number to scam Facebook to be able to reestablish a new ad account, because you're probably going to get your ad account shut down by Facebook. So selling these cheap products on Facebook and hammering your ad account and getting your account shut down, that's no way to run a business. That's not good for a beginner. It's not good for anybody, because there's no longevity in that. And then another thing you see online, you're probably going to see people talk about, how I made millions of dollars without working the traditional way. And you may hear keywords that say, like, through digital real estate. Through digital real estate, set up your business and through digital real estate. What they're talking about digital real estate is they're actually talking about trying to teach you how to set up your own ad agency online. Well, for beginners, that may not be the best avenue either. You can make a lot of money. Some people's made millions of dollars setting up ad agencies. For customers, basically what the ad agency is, you just set up maybe a Google ad account and you generate traffic and send visitors to your customer's website, because maybe these customers are business owners. They don't know how to generate traffic. They don't know how to work Google ad account. So they'll hire you to set up their Google ad accounts and send traffic. But for a beginner, you have to be a whiz at Google ads. And also you have to be getting on the phone, talking to customers. You have to be going out there, grinding away for your next customer. So as a beginner, that may not be the best avenue. You can make a lot of money on it, but you have limited time and money, and you don't want to be babysitting customers and looking for customers and getting on the phone and working on your accounts. That may not be the best thing either. So if you're a beginner, what would be the best avenue then to pick? Something that takes the least amount of time, not effort. You're not babysitting customers. You're not doing customer service. You don't have to invest a lot of money. You don't have to wait weeks or months to get the business going. So what is it? Well, what I've found through nearly 2 decades working online and creating businesses is affiliate marketing. Now, you may have heard some good things in affiliate marketing. You may have heard some bad things about affiliate marketing. And usually the things, if you hear something bad about affiliate marketing, it's people who tried it and didn't make any money. It's because they did it not the correct way, or they did it the old school way. Things have changed online, so you have to approach affiliate marketing differently the way you used to do back in the day. But with affiliate marketing, all you do is, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, there's products and services, there's online digital products, there's all kinds of products that you just drive traffic to these offers, or you like a connector is what I'm trying to say. You're the in-between person, and you connect the buyer and the seller, and you make a commission, and that's it. So you're not dependent on anything. So let's say if this product that you're promoting goes away or gets shut down, you just plug in another offer into your affiliate marketing business. So you're not dependent on anything. See, if you set up an e-commerce site, let's say on Amazon, you're dependent on Amazon. You can build your whole big business on Amazon, and Amazon can shut you down. That happens. Let's say if you get too many returns or too many complaints, Amazon can shut your account down. So you go to log onto your Amazon store, and they shut you down. Same thing with Facebook. You can build your whole business on Facebook, selling products on Facebook, and Facebook could shut you down. So you're done. But if you become an independent affiliate marketer, you don't depend on Facebook. You don't have to worry about your Facebook account getting shut down. You don't have to worry about your Amazon account getting shut down. You're a total independent business person connecting buyers and sellers, and you make a commission. Now, some people may say, oh, there's not much money in it. I don't have the article in front of me, but there's an article I read, maybe on one of my other videos I'll show you. It was written by the Huffington Post just a couple years ago. And the Huffington Post said that affiliate marketing is a $6.8 billion business. That's B's and boys, $6.8 billion. That's a lot of cash sloshing around for affiliate marketers. And so there's a lot of money to be made in affiliate marketing. It's very lucrative. It's easy to get into. As I mentioned, you don't have to have babysit. You don't have to do customer service. You don't have to invest thousands of dollars. You don't have to do any of that. You simply start connecting people, buyers and sellers, and you make a commission. Now, there's certain ways you do affiliate marketing. Back in the day, people used to say, oh, just go to ClickBank, grab yourself a link, and just start slamming it with traffic and try to make a sale, or take your affiliate link and spam it over Facebook and wait for a sale. That's old school. That stuff doesn't work anymore. There's a certain way you have to approach your affiliate marketing to become successful. And I'll cover that affiliate marketing avenue in my other videos. So basically, I hope this gives a little bit of clarity on if you're a beginner and you really don't know where to start, or let's say if you've been running into a brick wall with your online business. Maybe it's because you're approaching maybe a business that you shouldn't be into, or if you're trying affiliate marketing, maybe you're trying the old school method that you see all over YouTube. If you go on YouTube, you're going to see so many videos of people telling you how to do affiliate marketing who just fell off the affiliate marketing cart like yesterday. I mean, they're all newbies trying to teach newbies, and they're just regurgitating what they were told, and they don't even know if it really works themselves. But I can assure you, affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative ways to make money, and I've made a lot of money on affiliate marketing. So, as per that article I just mentioned from the Huffington Post, said there's $6.8 billion business, and this was a couple of years ago. So it's probably grown since then. So I hope that gives you a little bit of insight. If you're a newbie and you're having trouble getting started, or you haven't chosen anything yet, just think through before you start. You know, how much time do you have to invest? How much money do you have to invest? And how much risk do you want to put into your business? So if you like e-commerce, go for e-commerce. If you like Facebook, go for Facebook, knowing that e-commerce or Amazon or Facebook could shut you down. Or if you want to get into, let's say, digital real estate, which is very popular, you see a lot of ads for that on YouTube. You got to understand, you're going to be doing a lot of babysitting. You're going to be talking to customers on the phone. You're going to be grinding away looking for your next customer to set up ad accounts for them. Or if you choose affiliate marketing, you can work totally independent. You can work behind the scenes and start making commissions behind the scenes without doing customer service, without investing thousands of dollars, without worrying about importing products from China or any of that. So I hope that gave you a little bit of insight on perhaps what's the best thought process or method or business idea to go into if you're a beginner just starting out. So see you on my next video.